In this video, we will learn about common electrical accessories, tools, switches, lighting items, and protection devices used in homes and buildings. These components are very important for safe and proper electrical installation. Let's start with switches. A one-way switch is used to turn a device on or off from one location. A two-way switch allows a single light to be controlled from two different places. A bed switch is installed near the bed for easy control of lights or fans. A calling bell switch is used to operate an electric bell, usually near doors. A fan regulator controls the speed of a ceiling fan. Now let's talk about sockets and plugs. A 2-pin socket is used for low-power appliances. A 5-pin socket is used for heavy appliances and includes earthing for safety. A 2-pin plug top connects small devices to power. A 3-pin plug top provides earthing and ensures safe operation. An extension board and power board allow multiple devices to run from one power source. Next are switchboards and safety devices. A switchboard holds switches, sockets, and indicators. A switchboard indicator shows whether power is on or off. A main switch controls the entire electrical supply of a house. A double-pole MCB protects both phase and neutral from overload and short circuits. A board fuse and KitKat fuse protect wiring by breaking the circuit during excess current. Now let's understand lighting accessories. A night bulb provides dim light at night. An LED bulb is energy efficient and long-lasting. A rechargeable LED bulb works even during power failure. An LED round panel light and LED flat panel light provide bright ceiling lighting. A fluorescent tube light uses gas discharge to produce light. An LED tube light is a modern replacement with lower power consumption. A tube light holder holds the tube securely. An electronic choke controls current and improves lighting efficiency. A pendant holder hangs a bulb from the ceiling, while a batten holder fixes it directly. An angle batten holder provides directional lighting. Now let's move to wiring materials. A flexible conduit pipe protects electrical wires and allows easy bending. A concealed metal box is installed inside walls to hold switches and sockets. Casing capping is used to protect and organize surface wiring. A GI clamp fixes conduit pipes firmly. Finally, let's talk about tools. A screw and screw anchor are used to fix accessories to walls. A screwdriver tightens or loosens screws. A line tester checks live current. A digital tester measures voltage and resistance. A mini hacksaw cuts metal or conduit. A wire cutter cuts wires cleanly. A combination plier is used for gripping, bending, and cutting wires. Insulation tape and heat shrink sleeve tubes protect wire joints. Understanding these components is essential for safe and professional electrical work. Thank you for watching.